Are you looking for the best soldering station for your electronics repair, SMD or PCB work, but aren't sure which one to choose? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best soldering stations, reliable, efficient, and packed with modern technology. So don't wait, watch the video till the end and find out which one is perfect for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The YIHUA 862BD Plus 2-in-1 soldering and hot air rework station is a professional ETL certified tool designed for all your electronics repair needs. It comes with lead-free solder, 5 SGS certified tips, 4 hot air nozzles, ESD safe tweezers, a desoldering pump, tip cleaner, and a metallic iron holder. Featuring PID temperature control from 392 degrees to 9060, it ensures precise and stable heat for every job. The 75-watt soldering iron, adjustable sleep mode, and detachable hot air unit provide safety, durability, and convenience. With 3 digital displays, dual-core stabilization, and 12-month US technical support, it's perfect for SMD and PCB repairs of any scale. Item number 4. Meet the YIHUA 882D 2-in-1 soldering iron and hot air rework station, a compact and versatile tool for electronics repair. This station features LED displays, temperature control, and adjustable air volume, with soldering iron temperatures from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 Fahrenheit, and hot air from 212 Grad to 896 Grad, all controlled via built-in PID program. It includes 2 spools of solder wire, 5 soldering tips, 3 hot air nozzles, brass wool tip cleaner, tweezers, and a desoldering pump, so you can get started immediately. Additional features like sleep mode, standby mode, auto shutdown, and calibration extend tip life. Backed by 1-year USA technical support, it's perfect for precise SMD and PCB work. Item number 3. Meet the YIHUA 3D 2A USB SMD hot air rework and soldering iron station, a compact and versatile tool designed for precision electronics work. This station features a DC power supply, 0.15 volts, 0.2As, a 5-volt USB charging port, and a 35-volt DC voltage test meter, making it perfect for both soldering and testing circuits. The soldering iron offers 30 watts power, LED display, and dual channels with temperature stability of 1.8–3.6 degrees Celsius. Temperature ranges from 392 to 896 Fahrenheit for accurate soldering. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for SMD, PCB repairs, and electronics DIY projects, providing reliability and precision for every task. Item number 2. Introducing the FNIRSI DWS200 200-watt Precision Digital Soldering Station Kit, a high-performance tool for electronics repair. Featuring 3 F210 and 6 F245 soldering iron tips with 2 helping hands, it's perfect for both precision and high-power soldering tasks. The station offers fast heating, adjustable temperatures from 212 to 200 degrees, and a TFT full-color display with temperature value, curve, and combined modes. Additional features include sleep mode, auto standby, and 3 preset temperature storages for convenience. Built with a pure copper transformer and compatible with 100-240 input, it delivers reliable, precise, and versatile performance for all your SMD and PCB projects. Item number 1. Introducing the YIHUA 926 360-watt digital display soldering iron station kit, a compact and efficient tool for all your electronics repair needs. This fast heating soldering station offers an adjustable temperature range from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit with PID temperature stabilization for consistent performance. It includes 2 helping hands, 6 extra soldering tips, lead-free solder, solder sucker, ESD safe tweezers, and more. Additional features like GRE-CC-GRE-F conversion, auto sleep mode, and digital temperature calibration make soldering precise and safe. Compact design with tip storage and protective mesh saves workspace, while 12-month US technical support ensures reliable and long-lasting performance. Which of these soldering stations is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.